Here we have a whole boiled artichoke. We cut off the top, we cut out the outer leaves, we snipped off the pinchers on the remaining leaves. Now here's how you can get to that heart. So you have a whole artichoke, it's been cooked in boiling water. So you just cut down the center. So now you see that you have different coloration here. This lighter part, you want to just take and discard. Take that lighter part out. Then here is where the heart is. But you have these hairy chokes right here. So I take a melon ball scoop and just easily take it out of there. So you want to make sure you get all those little hairy pieces out. And really, that's all there is to it. And then once you have them, you can put them in a bowl, and then you can either put melted butter on them, or you could put some spices. You could fill them with rice, cooked rice, whatever you have. Farro would be nice. Or you can just dip these in melted butter. You can just take each leaf off and just dip it in melted butter. So you see how easy that fuzzy part comes out, because if you try to do this with a raw artichoke, it's very difficult to see in the whole artichoke to get all of that out, so you're digging and digging and digging. So don't throw those away, those are edible. You want to scrape those with your teeth. Now, artichokes really turn color very quickly. They go from brilliant green to this dull gray-green once they're cooked. You could add lemon juice to the water, but I don't find that that works very well anyway. So again, there's the light green part we're taking out until it starts to get darker. We use a melon ball or a spoon to get that hairy choke right out of there. And that is the easy way, my friends, to do artichokes.